Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E-Seats espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to completely open the whole machine up, get inside the brew unit. Once we were inside there, we also cleaned the grinder and we also checked the other side of the machine to make sure there was no leaking or anything like that. We put it all back together and then we did a descaling cycle and then a cleaning cycle on the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be using a hot water and steam of this machine. We will not be able to siphon any kind of liquid or anything as we do not have the hose of this machine. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color. 1.5 ounces, which is exactly how Jura recommends to do the shots. And as you can see, we're having nice crema coming out of this machine. Excellent shot of espresso. Now we're going to be testing the milk foam of this machine. The thermoblock needs to get up to temperature in order for this machine to produce steam. Once it reaches that temperature, the water pump will pulse around the inside the thermoblock and it will reroute that flow going all the way to here, as you can see. Now, like I said, we do not have the hose, so we will not be able to siphon any milk, but we'll still be able to see the steam coming out of the machine. And as you can see, the nice steady steam, excellent temperature, working great. Now we're going to be using hot water. Since the thermoblock is hot, we're going to see like a bunch of steam coming out at first. Once it gets all cooled down, we're going to see that steady stream coming out of that spout, as you see right there. So there you have it, Jura E-Seats working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.